Welcome to the fifth screencast in the training series about using the new program finance tool. If you haven't already listened to the first four, please do so first. Also, please make sure you have a printed copy of the Word document we were using the last screencast, Analysis for New Program Training. When we left the last screencast, we determined that ATR would never become financially sustainable, at least not unless it made some changes. In this screencast, we'll identify what those changes should be. And to do so, we're going to pull out that Word document I just referenced. So let's click over here and open it up. We completed the first table in the last screencast. So now we're going to focus on Table 2, Implementation of Key Levers. Here we go. The key levers all support financial sustainability. So where a program is not already taking the actions described, there's an opportunity to make a change. And that's where our recommendations will lie. Let's go through the table row by row. First, does the program share responsibility for resident stipend? And the answer here is yes. The Anywhere School District pays the entirety of the $35,720 resident stipend and benefits. Number two, does the program set the resident stipend at a competitive yet sustainable level? And again, the answer is yes. Compared to other NCTR programs, a stipend of $25,000 is the highest, although not the only one at that level. Moreover, it's sustainable through the district. The next question is whether the lead partner shares responsibility for the mentor stipend. And on that question, the answer is no. The lead partner pays the entirety of the mentor stipend. Leads to a second question of whether the mentor stipend is competitive yet sustainable. And at $5,000, ATR's mentor stipend is actually the highest in the network. Since ATR pays the entirety of that stipend, it's also not sustainable. And you can see from the note here that the median NCTR program we studied offers mentors a stipend of $3,000. So quite a difference if you think about the percentage above that $3,000 that a stipend of $5,000 is. Number 5, does the program redirect district cost savings to the residency program? The model does not include a mechanism through which the district could share the cost savings it receives from the residency program. While this cell is red, I think it's worth noting that the district contribution is really significant. The district is paying for the entirety of the resident stipend and benefits, which totals over $35,000. So given how much the district contributes, I probably wouldn't start by recommending that the district sort of kick in more. I think generally what we found is that programs ask the district to contribute either towards the resident stipend or towards some other sharing of cost savings, at least at the beginning. And then number 6, is the IHE tuition manageable for residents? And the answer here is a sort of. At $19,180, tuition for a master's degree at Anywhere University is above the average for other NCTR partner programs. However, between loan forgiveness that the state offers and a philanthropic grant with no firm end date, residents would only need to pay about $13,000, and that's just slightly above tuition for the median NCTR program of $12,240. However, if we toggle back to the tool, we go, and take a look at graph 3B, cost value to the resident, you can see that the value proposition for the resident, which is the distance between this blue line and this red one, or just the value of this gray one here, it's pretty strong. Not only does the stipend amount exceed tuition, but residents receive substantial benefits. So the question, looking back at that table from a moment ago, is where does this leave us? I think what's pretty clear is that we need to do something about the mentor stipend. Both rows related to the mentor stipend are red. Potentially, we could lower it, or we could have another organization pay for part or all of it. And then ideally, the program could capture some of the cost saving it's producing for the district. But as I mentioned just a little while ago, that may not be the best option given how much the district is already contributing. But number 3 would also be nice to get the IHE tuition down a bit. So our next step is to model some of these scenarios, which we'll do in the next screencast. I'll see you there.